Hey everyone, welcome back to EdTour. Today we've got a packed episode filled with the latest news and updates. We'll be covering a variety of topics, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative content. Like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in.
Windy. I didn't bring my wind protector, but there's a mosque. Marhaba, kifak? Kiram near. Hey, how are you? This is the main street in Asmara. As you can see, it's still very peaceful. This is Monday, and lots of work going on. This is the bustling city of Asmara. Shoe cleaners. Shukran. It's very hard to do it one-handed. Thank you. Alright, I've locked my bike. Kieran can't lock his bike, but you said yourself this is the safest city in Africa.
In Africa though.
Yeah. That's still way safer than London.
Yeah, to be fair, I think it's safer than London, but we're in the capital city of an African country, and this is literally the centre of a market, so...
And everyone's now staring at us, so... Anyway, we'll either have two bikes back, well, one bike, or we'll have none, so... Yeah. I think we're too customised to Londnon, where anywhere in England, actually, if you leave your bike, it's gone. Even if you leave it with a lock, they'll cut the lock.
Maybe record those people just in case... the one's over there.
No, it's fine, don't worry. Kieran's speaking to underage kids.
I've not tried it.
Salam! I'm good, nice to meet you, hello.
What is your name?
My name is Harry.
Harry.
What is your name?
My name is Musa.
Head back to Booga Booga. Mr. Kieran. The bike's still here.
Yeah, good.
Congratulations, see, I told you. Come here, Leka. Come here, Lecky. And I'm holding her flowers. You might be wondering why. What's your name?
My name is Askia.
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 Astia.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
The same to you.
I got these flowers for you, Askia.
I give it for you.
No.
You are guest.
No, they're for you. All right. Wow. This is amazing. Is this your shop?
No.
Oh. Okay. There we
I
go.
keep here.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But I offer tea, macchiato. What do you drink?
We-
Coca-Cola, Fanta.
We just had. It's okay. Just water, maybe.
And
Yeah.
your friend?
I'll take water as well, thank you.
He'll probably have a beer.
Yeah.
I reckon. How much is this one?
200 Napa only.
200 nakpa only.
Only.
I'll take it.
You look very handsome.
Yes. I'm now part of the
Bel
Eritrean.
ragazzo.
Bel ragazzo.
Bel ragazzo.
Bello gatto.
That's Italian.
Ragazzo. Ragazzo.
Do you speak Italian?
Yes. The second language is Italian.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno per tutto il giorno.
Yes. I speak
It's
no Italian. Do you speak Italian with your friends?
yes. Italian after English after small French. French Arabic.
Arabic?
شوي شوي Arabic.
أنا بقى عربي شوي. Wow, so how many languages do you speak?
Me 5.
5 languages.
I can only speak 2.
You can barely speak one,
I
mate.
can speak English and Pidgin.
No, you speak more than me Arabic.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow, she's wrapping up. It's like Christmas.
Like you, in our country always Christmas.
Always Christmas. Amazing. I like your pearl necklace.
Customer is customer.
Do you do this for every customer?
Yeah, because customer is customer.
Amazing. Wow. I think this is the best souvenir I've ever bought because they wrapped it up. Oh, it's not good done yet. We're going to be playing pass the parcel with this.
You love Eritrea. I hope to see again.
Yes.
I give you the flag of Eritrea. I think
Oh,
it's
wow.
souvenir of Eritrea.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're
This is the best souvenir I've ever bought. Here you go.
Thank you.
Shukran.
Afwan.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Nice to
And
meet
see-
you.
The same to you.
Nice to
And
meet
see
you.
again.
لبحرو وبر لما تنا مكوناتا بر لما تنا مكوناتا شافا من دحنا برو سينا كل كريت مدرنا ساتهم بسات نسنا شينا كل كريت مدرنا ساتهم بسات نسنا
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.